What is up, YouTube? One, I hope you're having a beautiful day today. Two, I'm not having a beautiful day. You wanna know why? Yeah, the hood's up on the Dodge, which means something's broke again. You might be wondering what it is. Little bitty dot. The smallest of small dots. The little bitty dent. The little fender bender. It's leaking coolant. Pretty bad, actually. The fan shroud is, or was, well, you can't see it, but the little fan shroud has a metal piece that comes from the bottom all the way up to the center of the clutch fan. It's where the wire goes up and plugs in all that crap. Somehow it bent out and touched the radiator a couple times, I guess. Or maybe it's been rubbing it this whole time and I just didn't know it. I'll insert the clip of me doing what I do best. That probably didn't help. So yeah, in this video, we're going to change out a radiator. I got a new cold air intake. This one is freaking just a pile of crap. And it just broke down there. And I got one more surprise for you. You know what those are? Well, guess. They're lights. Christmas lights at that. And we are gonna make this baby shine like a diamond. Enjoy the montage. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys. Alright, so I got the AFE cold air intake installed and it sounds pretty freaking good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Freaking mint, buddy. Pretty freaking good looking. Went on Marketplace, $190. Thing was brand new, had basically 0 miles on it. Definitely is way better than the intake I had previously. Yeah, that was the main problem. That broke off. I think it's just because it was a cheap Amazon $100 cold air intake and I painted it white and I added an S&B filter. So if you didn't know that, you can go on S&B's website and you can make custom filters. So if you're cheap like me, you can make a cold air intake for your truck for virtually 150 bucks, brand new-ish. Because I think it was about 70, so yeah, 150-ish. Or search Marketplace all day long like I do and find a brand new AFE for 190. There it is one more time. It is now time to get this thing cleaned up because it is super dirty and I'd rather it be super clean whenever we put the Christmas lights on. Oh, another thing I found out, my freaking block heater doesn't work. So we had quite the cold start the other morning. Yeah, she did not like that. Pretty easy to fix that. Yeah, I can't even see it from here. It's somewhere in that vicinity. Should have swapped it when the motor was out, but you know, it is what it is. More fun. We do have a valve cover coming in from SPE Labs, SPE Labs, however the heck you want to pronounce it. So we'll get that put on too. Just like that, we have completed the Christmas lights. And let me tell you, it was a pain in the freaking rear. That was 3,000 lights, plus a reef, which has another couple hundred lights. There's the little baby Christmas tree right there. She's got like one light bulb that's halfway on. Hope you guys enjoyed, because it was a pain, like I said. And to end our day, or this video I should say, that rhymed. Don't call me Dr. Seuss. That's crazy. Anyways, we're gonna go side-by-side riding. Well, we are side-by-side riding. We're at Moonlight. And that's pretty much it. Probably gonna go roll some stuff, hopefully not, but every time I bring her, we roll something, so let's do this. Let's do this like a Texas Roadhouse roll. Buttery and good. Any last words?
Don't flip us.
Don't flip us. Famous last words. I brought her a helmet this time because I promise you we're flipping. So enjoy. get this. Dude, you are... Oh, God. Four-wheel drive, brother.
Hammer down.
That's a typical Can-Am.
So hard to see out of.
Send it.
Oh, who puts a backup camera on side by side?
A girl.
See dick out.
Give it right back to him.
What the fuck? First time? I got caught in a run.
These tires ain't worth a...
You got it?
Huh?
Give her the beans. Oh. Try going left. Just do it.
Just try it one time.
You're good. Take a drink.
Put some Nickelback on.
Whoa.
I was waiting. No.
We're right in the line of fire too. That little measly hill. See, that's why we bought a Razor.
Yeah, but that thing has heat. That
Okay.
thing has heat. That thing has better speakers.
Oh, dude, he's literally barely, look at him. He's coming down it. Hey, how's it feel that his dad's gonna hit it and you can't even hit it?
I'll eat it. Just give me a second. I'll eat it.
Driver mod.
Pounds, bud. I'm fit.
Oh, you lost the cap.
Oh, no.
Yeah, now it's definitely not
Not
gonna
the
work.
chrome cap, dude. I gotta go back to O'Reilly's now. Damn it.
Make us proud, Dad.
Hell yeah.
Oh shit, you lost the cooler.
Haven't even hit it yet. I already lost the cooler.
Oh, it's undone. His pack out's undone. Oh yeah. Dude, he literally climbed up it without the pack out on there too.
Dude, I will yard sell this motherfucker.
Oh,
Swear to God. Anybody wants a 2024 Polaris Expedition on welds and window tint? 20
I don't think anybody wants something that can't crawl up a hill.
Give me a second, boy. I'm about to tune this rig up.
This thing's good for getting groceries, that's about it. Groceries and dudes.
There it is.
Hey, roll your windows up.
Game time.
Ooh. You gotta bump it. Woo. I hear a broken axle coming.
They asked me to gator make it up there.
A 6x6 gator?
I think it was just a 2x4.
He's embarrassed.
Right side. Billy goes wing on the center so he can't see you. That was farther than he normally went.
Yeah, but he needs to go faster. He's not going fast enough. It comes down pretty good. Buying an Expedition because with my overweight, obese BMI body, that thing would have tumbled down this hill. Those things have, I mean, like we can like coast down this and I don't feel like we're gonna flip. He looked like he was gonna flip. That was pretty bad. That's sketchy. Jeez, he's gonna slide off. Why don't you hop in there and show him how to drive?
Okay. time we rode. We were in something like this, and we flipped one way, and then we flipped the other way.
I did that because Levi told me not to.
I made it.
Which usually if Levi says don't do it, that means do not do it because he wouldn't do it and he's nuts. Dark side of the moon, baby.
What does that mean?
It means Elon Musk has never been there. Now we're gonna rip the sign off. Bottomed out.
Did we?
Well, it's like those Six Flag cars where you're like the things on the track or whatever, the rail.
Yeah.
And it's just driving.
And
It's kind of like look.
Like, yeah.
That's how this whole going down this whole thing is gonna be. Ready?
Oh,
See? Told ya. Board slide. So Six Flags more fun. Dude, he's gonna flip. There's no. Oh! He's gonna flip. That thing is so top heavy. That side by side is like CJ, like skinny legs, a big old body and head.
Big old forehead.
It's cool though. CJ's not really that cool, but it's cool. It's alright. Alright, Destin. Your turn.
Yeah, no. Dude, I'll just hit it in the ADV. I mean, I don't want to embarrass you.
Line it up, and start getting some momentum bike.
You got it.
Well guys, that concludes the Moonlight ride. This guy has been following me around all day taking videos of me and I'm so sick of it. Dude, what did I say about filming me?
Dude, stop.
You're filming me, bro.
Dude, I'm filming you.
You're filming me filming you.
Whoa.
Oh, wait, I can't end the video yet. Hold
If
on.
you look closer, you'll see all them bitches that mouth us
What?
in our phones.
I have one female.
He chose his words carefully.
I have no female. Just dudes. That's what happens when you own a second gen.
It's pretty slick though. So anyways, that concludes our Moonlight ride. I finally conquered my fear of Jay's Bluff and did it. 10 out of 10 success. That's about it.
I'm hungry.
She's hungry. I'm gonna end this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And merch site drops January 1st, hopefully. Fingers crossed, if I can find people to make my merch for me. But January 1st, merch drop. Link will be in bio January 1st. Not right now, January 1st. Goodbye.